Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The Tata Intra series has redefined the small commercial vehicle segment in India, offering a blend of performance, efficiency, and versatility. Designed to cater to diverse business needs, the 2025 lineup includes models such as the Intra V10, V20 Bi-Fuel, V30, and V50. This article delves into the main components and pricing of these models, excluding engine specifications. Chassis and suspension. Built on a high-strength chassis frame produced through hydroforming, the Tata Intra series ensures enhanced structural integrity with reduced welding joints. This design not only increases durability but also minimizes noise, vibration, and harshness, NVH, levels, contributing to a smoother driving experience. The suspension system across the Intra lineup features a semi-elliptical leaf spring setup, both at the front and rear. For instance, the Intra V30 is equipped with 5 leaves in the front and 8 in the rear, optimizing load-bearing capacity and ride comfort. Transmission. The Intra series is equipped with a 5-speed manual synchro-mesh transmission, facilitating smooth gear shifts and efficient power delivery. This transmission setup is designed to handle varying load conditions, ensuring reliability across different terrains. The synchro-mesh mechanism matches gear speeds before engagement, reducing wear and tear and enhancing the longevity of the gearbox components. Braking system. Safety is paramount in the Tata Intra series, with a braking system comprising front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. This combination ensures effective braking performance, providing drivers with confidence during frequent stops and in diverse driving conditions. The design emphasizes low maintenance, aligning with the operational demands of commercial vehicles. Interior. Navigating through urban landscapes and narrow islands is made effortless with the electric power-assisted steering, EPAS, system in the Intra series. The EPAS offers precise control with minimal effort, reducing driver fatigue during long hauls. This feature is particularly beneficial in congested city environments, where maneuverability is crucial. Driver comfort and convenience are at the forefront of the Intra's cabin design. The spacious day cabin is equipped with comfortable seats featuring fixed headrests, ensuring reduced fatigue during extended drives. Additional amenities include a lockable glove box for secure storage, a digital instrument cluster providing real-time vehicle data, and a smartphone charging port to keep devices powered on the go. These features collectively enhance the driver's operational efficiency and comfort. Load body and dimensions. The Tata Intra series offers versatile load body configurations to meet various cargo requirements. For example, the Intra V30 features a load body measuring 2,690 mm in length, 1,620 mm in width, and 400 mm in height, providing ample space for diverse goods. The robust construction ensures durability, while the design facilitates easy loading and unloading, optimizing turnaround times for businesses. Pricing. The Tata Intra series is competitively priced, catering to a wide range of commercial needs. Intra V10, priced between a superscript 16.55 lakh and a superscript 17.78 lakh, this model offers an affordable solution for businesses requiring a reliable and efficient vehicle. Intra V20 Bi-Fuel, starting at a superscript 18.50 lakh. The Bi-Fuel variant provides flexibility with its CNG and petrol compatibility, appealing to businesses aiming for cost-effective fuel options. Intra V30, with prices ranging from a superscript 17.30 lakh to a superscript 17.62 lakh, the V30 combines performance with value, suitable for various commercial applications. Intra V50, as the premium offering, the V50 is priced up to a superscript 19.83 lakh, delivering enhanced capabilities for demanding operations. Conclusion. The 2025 Tata Intra series stands out in the small commercial vehicle market with its robust construction, driver-centric features, and versatile configurations. By focusing on key components such as chassis strength, efficient transmission, reliable braking, and ergonomic design, Tata Motors ensures that the Intra series meets the evolving demands of businesses across India.